Hi, Year 10. I thought I would talk you through the task that I'm going to set for today, just because I would like to guide you through one of the websites that I think is going to be really useful to you. Basically, what I would like you to do for the next 2 weeks is work on a project called Identity Box. And to do this, I would like you to research the artist Joseph Cornell. Joseph Cornell was a really great inspiration to me when I was in GCSE. And I actually did my own version of a Joseph Cornell box when I was your age. So it's a project that I really enjoyed, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it too. So Joseph Cornell has plenty of information about him on the internet because he's a very famous artist. But I just wanted to guide your attention towards this website, which is the Royal Academy website. And I'll send a link to you on this assignment. So Joseph Cornell has quite a lot of different art pieces based inside or within boxes or containers. So if you go to this website, which I've given you a link to, you'll be able to find video, which is a woman sort of talking you a little bit about the history of Joseph Cornell. You'll be able to find visitor views of one of his exhibitions, one of the exhibitions that has been created around Joseph Cornell. You'll be able to go to a gallery, which will show you pieces of work of him. 5 things about Joseph Cornell that the Royal Academy thinks you need to know. And you've also got related articles, which you could read up on. Okay, obviously, if you go to Google search and just put Joseph Cornell in, you will come up with a lot of different websites that will be really useful. Guggenheim will be really useful. Tate will be really, really useful. If the Tate's down there, yeah, Tate's down there. But that link that I'll send you has got some good information too. So the first thing I want you to do is to create an information page in your books about Joseph Cornell. I want you to have a look at his work, and I would like you then to create a box for your identity. So you can use a shoebox if you want, or you could go a little bit more sturdy with, you can make yourself a wooden box if you've got the facilities to do that. Or you can use an old biscuit tin, anything that you can do to create a box. And then inside that box, I would like you to decorate it and add objects and maybe add words or quotes that you think represent yourself. So it's a little bit like a self-portrait, but in a Joseph Cornell box style. I've added this website, which is called the Joseph Cornell box. And if I go to the home, you'll see that it comes up with a little page like this, and you've got some different links here to some information sort of regarding Joseph Cornell, but it's not brilliant for information about his life and art. You're better off going to the Royal Academy for that, or to the Tate website. But what it's really good for is showing how other people have done this. So in the link, I'll send you straight to the gallery. And in the gallery, this is not Joseph Cornell's artwork. These are pieces of artwork that the general public have done and have sent in based on his work. So it's pretty much what you're going to be doing. And there's lots of different styles here. You can see this one is a very sort of monochromatic style, very sort of angular. They've obviously thought about where they're placing every single object to make it really sort of square and grid-like. And then you've got that contrasted to other ones that are a lot more natural looking. And these are general members of the public. This one reminds me a little bit more of an identity box. These are general members of the public that have done this task. So I'm hoping that this website will be able to help you as well. Anyway, I've waffled on a lot. So basically, to sum it up, do an information page about Joseph Cornell, then find yourself a box or make yourself a box, and then create your identity within that box. Bye.